staring straight.
Single time is over. Take your seats. Take your seats. Hello. I'm Mrs. Arthur Whitewood, and it's my happy job to welcome you here today to our special interfaith program for singles over 30, don't you know? And today is especially special because it's the first time that our group has met here at the Brushy Mountain State Penitentiary. Or is it prison? Well, our guest speaker this evening is a gentleman by the name of Mr. Kevin Trentell. Now, Mr. Trentell is currently an inmate here at the Brushy Mountain State Penitentiary and is currently serving 7 consecutive life sentences. So, without further ado, Mr. Trentell.
My name is Trentell. I'm a convicted mass murderer. I'm gonna be in this shithole until the day I die. And I'm single. That's right, I'm single. I was once just like all y'all, had a good job, the latest stereo equipment, drank bottled water and all that shit. No matter how hard I tried, I just couldn't seem to find my significant other. Does that sound familiar? Well, then came New Year's Eve. I got this invite to a party, but couldn't get no date, so I went alone. When I got there was all my friends, all my married friends. They were kissing and hugging and calling each other cute names like Sweetie and Pumpkin and Pooh Bear. I couldn't take it no more, I just snapped. I got my AK-47 and I blew their very asses straight to hell. What are you laughing at, boy?
I wasn't laughing.
What are you, some sort of wise ass? You think it's funny I'm pushing 50, got no soul, lady?
Please don't hurt me.
That's you, lady.
Can I go home now? No.
What the hell's your problem? You want to wind up like me, have nobody to spend your golden years with?
No.
Well, then listen up. I still got friends on the outside my age. Some of them are still single. You want to hear about it? Look, I know this one guy. He's in his 50s. Recently took out his 1,000th personal ad. This woman, 45 years old. She's on the same freaking diet she's been on for 15 years. Look, I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, I'll just wait for Mr. or Ms. Right to come along. Well, I got news for you. They ain't coming! You don't have to compromise a little bit. You, get up here. Come on, now. Now. You! What's your name, boy? What are you looking for?
It's Brad. Yes, okay. I'm 34 years old. I'm looking for a nice Christian girl who shares my values and wants to stay at home and raise my children.
And you?
Susan, 40ish. I'm looking for a Jewish man that will let me continue my career as a corporate lawyer.